this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unsubscribe from emails here in Gmail and clean up your inbox so important messages don't get buried under promotions and mailing list. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up Gmail and make sure you're in your inbox. Up at the top, go ahead and click this little search bar right here. Once you search this search bar, and once you click on the search bar, go ahead and type in unsubscribe, just like so, and hit enter. This is going to pull up all promotional emails and mailing lists that usually include unsubscribed links. Next, what you're going to want to do is click the search options next to the search bar, which will look something like this. Open this up and you're going to see a bunch of different options on here. And what you're going to want to do is select create filter. From here, hit skip the inbox and hit create filter. And you could also create a label to organize them. Creating a new label will make it so they appear separately. Something like subscriptions or promotions is a pretty good name for this in my opinion. But make sure that you hit apply filter to match in conversation so it applies to past emails as well. And Gmail will now automatically move all these unsubscribed emails into a different inbox for you that's separated, kind of like a folder, for example. From here, you could go ahead and go through and delete all of these, especially old promotional emails from a specific sender. You could right click on that sender's name and select find emails from. And then, of course, before deleting them, make sure that you double check and make sure nothing is included. But it really is as simple as that. What I would also recommend doing, though, is going to more and then going to your trash and making sure that you check everything on here and then just permanently delete them as well by selecting delete forever, because that'll automatically free up space for you. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.